Welcome students, I am Kolodikani, assistant maths teacher of Paran Model School. Student, today we will discuss first factor theorem of chapter polynomial of class 9. What is the fact statement of the factor theorem? That is, if px be any polynomial degree greater than or equal to 1 and a be a real number such that p of a equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of px. Okay, and also vice versa. Vice versa means if x minus a is a factor of px, then p equal to 0. So first, px be a polynomial and a be any real number. If p of a equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of px. That is the factor theorem. Just similar as remainder theorem. Okay, in the previous class we have discussed about remainder theorem and just little bit difference between factor theorem and remainder theorem. Okay, so by using factor theorem, we will solve sum on exercise 2.4. Okay, so first sum, so that px equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, we have to determine x plus 1. We have to determine x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial or not. Okay, so according to factor theorem, we can say that for proving factor, if px and a be a real number, that is x minus a is a factor of this. So x plus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 1. Now put pa, that is p of minus 1. So minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1. Okay, and this minus 1, this minus 1 and plus 1 will be removed. Okay, and the next step, minus 1 cube means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. Minus 1 square 0 1, that is, so p of minus 1 equal to 0, and according to the factor theorem, that px, if a be any real number such that p of 1 equal to 0, p of a equal to 0, then x minus a is the factor here. In place of a, that is minus 1, it means minus of minus 1, that is x plus 1. So x plus 1 is the factor of this polynomial as p of minus 1 equal to 0. Coming to the next part of this sum number 1, that is x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square, x cube plus x square, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 plus x plus 1. As we know, x plus 1 equal to 0, x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. Find p of minus 1. If p of minus 1, it means I put minus 1 in the polynomial, its value is 0, then it is factor, otherwise it is not a factor of this given polynomial. So minus 1 4, minus 1 cube, minus 1 square, minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 4 means power, if the number is even number, minus power of any minus number, if it is even number, the resultant will be positive. 1 to the power 4 minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 and minus, that is 1. Minus 1 cube minus 1. Minus 1 square 1, that is minus 1 plus 1. 1. Okay, so p of minus 1 not equal to 0. It means that x plus 1 is not a factor of that polynomial px. Why? If it is p of minus 1 equal to 0, then it will be a factor. Otherwise, it is not a factor. As the result is p of minus 1 equal to 1, so it cannot be a factor of the given polynomial px. And question number last part, that is sum number 4, 1 4, and I think one question number 3. Question number 3 is for your homework. Now I will solve question number 4. Question number 4, that is x cube minus x square, x cube minus x square minus 2 plus root 2x plus 1. Sorry, plus root 2. Plus root 2. Now, same number x plus 1, x equal to minus 1. So, if p of minus 1 equal to 0, then x plus 1 will be the factor of this polynomial. Otherwise, it is not a factor of this. Let's check. Minus 1 cube minus 1 square minus 2 plus root 2 minus 1 plus root 2. Minus 1 minus odd number, resultant will be negative number. Minus 1 square, that is plus. Plus 1, that will minus 1. Now, minus minus plus, so 2 plus root 2 plus root 2. 2 plus root 2 plus root 2. So, minus 2 plus 2 plus 2 root 2. 2 root 2. Okay. 2 root 2 means p of minus 1 not equal to 0. So, what can I say? That x plus 1 is not a factor of the given polynomial. If that root 2 root 2 in place of 2 root 2 it came 0. If it came 0, then px is the polynomial. Px is the polynomial. X plus 1 is the factor of that polynomial. Okay, as we get 2 root 2, that is not equal to 0. So x plus 1 cannot be a factor of the given polynomial. We have solved this using factor theorem. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 2. Using factor theorem, determine gx px equal to 2x cube plus x square, 2x cube plus x square, 2x cube plus x square minus 2x, and gx. 2x cube, gx is x plus 1. Gx is x plus 1. Okay. Using factor theorem, we have to determine that gx is a factor of px or not. Gx is a factor of px or not. So from the gx, we can evaluate that x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. X plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. If the p of minus 1, if p of minus 1 total value by putting minus 1 in the right hand side, if we get 0, then it will be that x plus 1 be a factor of this. And if we get other than 0 number, any number, then it is not a factor. Now, let us put that x equal to minus 1. Why x equal to minus 1? Because gx is given x plus 1 equal to 0. That x equal to minus 1. Now, p of minus 1 equal to 2 into minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 cube means minus 1, 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. Okay, now I am doing another step, that is minus 1. Minus 1 square means plus 1. 2 into minus plus 2 and minus. 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. 2 plus 1, 3 minus 1. So minus 3 and plus 3, minus 2 and minus 1, minus 3. So result is 0. So it is definitely x plus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial. Okay, as your minus 1 equal to 0. Next, question number 2. Px equal to that is x cube minus 4x square, x cube minus 4x square, x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6 plus x plus 6. Okay, and gx is here given, gx is given x minus 3. Gx is x minus 3 means x minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 3. So we should solve this question by using factor theorem. According to the factor theorem, if I put p of minus 3, sorry, p of plus 3 in this polynomial, in the right hand side if we get 0, then it will be a factor. Let us check. That is 3 cube minus 4, 3 square plus 3 plus 6. 3 cube means 27 minus 3 square. Minus 3 square means 9. 9 into 4, that is 36 plus 9. 29 plus 9, 36 minus 36 equal to 0. It means that x equal to, by putting x equal to 3, we get px equal to 0. It means x minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial. X minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial. Students, in the next class, we will solve question number 2, 3, and if you have any doubt regarding this video, you can ask me in ePortal, and I am telling you students, be regular in ePortal. What I have given homework, solve it and submit in the ePortal. Till then, stay at home and keep watching all the videos of BMS. Thank you.